Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I am here with a Temu Valentine's Day press-on nail haul. We do not do things at the last minute around here, so let's get into it. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know I do not do anything at the last minute. I already know I'm going to be festive and match my nails with whatever holiday is coming up. So I'm always preparing about a month and a half in advance before all the holiday nails are sold out. And since Valentine's Day is coming up next month, I went ahead and did me a Valentine's Day Temu nail haul. And I purposely picked nails that have different shapes and lengths so that you guys can get an idea of what they got going on right now. So this first set is a medium coffin shape, and these nails are so sturdy and well made. Look at the design, look at the nice curve that these nails have to them. They are very sturdy at the tip, flexible at the cuticle, which I love. This set is going to be so bomb when I apply it. I love all the different designs that's on it. And I love how it spells out love between two nails. And then we got the hearts and some dice on the other nails because love is like rolling dice. So I totally get the theme of these nails. So next up, I have a almond shaped set for y'all. Now I don't normally do almond shaped nails, but like I said, I picked all of these different nail shapes and lengths so that you guys can see what Temu has available. And all of these nails will be linked in the description of this video. Now, like I said, I don't normally do almond shaped nails, but this set right here is so cute. I love how some of the nails are just plain red, and then some of the other nails have a red French tip, and then you have that cute heart design on the other nails. So it's one of those sets that's kind of mixy, which I love, and they are super glossy. Like, this is going to be one of those sets that you don't really have to do anything extra to. I love a set that you don't have to do nothing extra to. You can literally just put it on and go on about your business. Of course, you can always add a base coat and a top coat just to give the nails some extra thickness and shine, but it is definitely not necessary with this set. And this is the set that I put together if I were to be applying these nails. As you can see, I got two red nails on the ends, and then I have two heart nails, and then that one French tip accent nail in the middle. And then you could even bling that finger out and just take the set to a whole nother level if you choose to go that far. But if not, this set is perfect just the way it is. So up next, I got this really cute short square shaped set. And I love how these are short, but they're not too short. Like, they're not nubby short. Like, I gotta have a little bit of length if I'm gonna do short. These are short, but they're like almost a medium. So I could definitely work with a short length like this. So I took one out to see how it would look on my finger, and that looks so cute. And these nails have a nice like suction to them. Like, I know if I was applying these with some glue that they would just melt right onto my natural nail. And they are so well made. Like, these nails do not look the price that they are. They're definitely giving salon quality. They're glossy and shiny. The designs on them are very vibrant and clear. They're giving exactly what they gave online. And they also have pink lips and a pink heart in the center of some of the nails, which I thought was so cute. So this is the ideal set that I put together to give you guys an idea of how the nails would look on. And this is a really cute set. Now this next set is a little wild. Every now and then I gotta mix it up and shake things up a little bit and throw a wild card in there. And this is definitely that set because let's just address the elephant in the room right now with those two puffball nails. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, I did a set with a puffball on it in the past. They were pink and they had a pink puffball on them. So when I saw this set, it reminded me of those nails. So I was like, I'm definitely going to get that set. And one thing about this set though, the puffball nails only fit my pinky nails. So the puffball nails are real small. It comes with two puffball nails, so one for each hand. And then some of the nails have the white French tip with the red lips on them, which is really cute. And then some of the other nails have that same design. They just have red rhinestones going around the cuticle area, which I love. And then some of the other nails say "Be Mine," which is so cute. That's perfect for Valentine's Day. I love the long square shape. And this is the ideal set that I put together if I were to be applying these nails. I did not include the one with the puff ball on it because I feel like the set is just cute without the extras. Now, if you want to be a little bit extra, you can go ahead and switch out the pinky nails. So I put the "Be Mine" for that pinky nail, and then this is how it would look if you were to add that puff ball on the pinky. Which I don't really know how I feel about that puff ball nail because it's kind of giving cotton ball on the nail. It's not giving what it was supposed to have gave. So for me, it looks better without the puff ball nail. And if you like the puff ball, then you can rock the puff ball. But for me, I feel like that's a pretty solid set right there. So up next, I got this really cute stiletto shaped set. And these nails are very transparent, so you could apply these using the Gel X method, or you could simply just put them on with the nail glue, however you choose. But this set is really cute. It's a long stiletto shape, and it has red hearts, pink hearts, red lips all over the nails. Definitely giving all the Valentine's vibes. And let me just say, ever since I applied that last stiletto shaped set, I have been stuck on stiletto nails. This is becoming my favorite nail shape. I don't know if this is just a phase or something that I'm going through, but look at that nail. Look how bomb that shape is. Look how good it looks. Like, I am in my stiletto bag right now. So y'all will most definitely be seeing more stiletto shaped sets from me in the near future. And this is the set that I put together. Of course, all the nails have the same designs on them, so it's gonna be cute regardless. But I just wanted to give y'all an idea of how the nails would look if you were to apply them. Now, this last set right here is probably my favorite one out of this whole haul, because even though Valentine's Day colors are like red and pink, I feel like this blue is just sticking out. I love the heart on the tip of those nails. I love how it has the rhinestones around the cuticle. I love how some of them have a blue French tip, and even that plain blue nail is not just a plain blue nail. So let's get into the details that are on this all blue nail. Now, it's not just plain blue. If you look really closely, I hope you guys could see it with my light and everything. It has blue hearts going down the center of the nail, and then on the side walls of the nail, it's like a sweater print. So it's giving royal blue heart sweater, and I'm here for it. I love that. And then let's get into the details of this nail that has the heart on the tip of the nail, which is so cute. I love how it's not like your normal heart. It got a little extra pizzazz to it. And I love the rhinestones around the cuticle area. Look how cute that looks on. Like, you cannot tell me these are not giving nail shop salon quality. And these have multiple different designs. Like you have some that's just a plain blue French tip. You have some that's a blue French tip with a rhinestone in the center of the cuticle. Then you have the one that has the heart on the tip with the rhinestones around the cuticle, and then some have a heart on the tip without the rhinestones around the cuticle. So you can pretty much mix and match this set however you want to, and it's gonna come out cute regardless because all the nails in this set are so cute. I love all the different designs, and I just had to see how the fit of these nails fit onto my natural nail beds, and they have a nice curve to them, which my nail beds are a little curved, and they fit really good. So if you guys enjoyed this Temu Valentine's Day press-on nail haul, make sure you like this video. Also drop me a comment and let me know what your favorite set from this haul is. And if you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.